Alright, what's the deal, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. As y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, your boy is hungry. I just woke up, ain't brushed my teeth, ain't washed my face, ain't took a shower, nothing. But I am hungry, so we're about to go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and race over to Chick-fil-A, turn that traction off, sport. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. The car just warmed up, barely. I've been sitting here for a minute, bro. It took forever, I ain't gonna lie. We'll say these cars take forever to heat up, but it's cool, it's cool. Come on, dang, it's freaking Toyota Corolla, Camry, whatever you got. Let's go, baby. Woo. I barely got any gas either. But yo, it is literally 10 o'clock, bro. I forgot my watch. Oh, it's 10:05. I forgot everything, bro. But we're gonna make it to this Chick-fil-A. I promise you that. You ain't even gotta worry about it. Yeah, you cooked. Why you think I was gonna wait behind you, gangy? I need to get to this Chick-fil-A. Hey, I hope y'all are having a good freaking morning. Make sure y'all brush y'all teeth too, bro. Don't be like me, bro. Make sure you brush your teeth, okay? Dang, I literally just rolled out of bed. I got home pretty late last night, around like 1 a.m. So, hey, I'll let y'all in my personal business. I don't really care. I'll tell y'all the truth, bro. Hey, after I get this breakfast, though, I'm gonna brush my teeth. My mouth do feel disgusting, bro, and I'm kind of embarrassed to even have to talk to people with my mouth like this. But hey, that Chick-fil-A, bro, this is something to have, dog. Hey, this back road though, we're about to go on. And like this back road low-key feel like illegal, bro. I haven't seen the cops on here before, but I wouldn't doubt. Oh no, we got an open stretch. Hold on. Woo! That thing pull, boy. Stop playing with the F90, man. Literally the best car. Hey, we can't see over this hill, so we're not speeding over the hill. Hey, this road, I don't know why this road literally feel like it's illegal. Like, I'll be flying down this road. Oh my goodness, I'll be flying, I ain't gonna lie. It literally feels illegal, but hey, it'll be all right. Bro, we gotta make it to Chick-fil-A. Hey, what y'all order? I don't know, not everywhere has Chick-fil-A. I think everywhere should have Chick-fil-A by now. But what y'all be ordering from Chick-fil-A, bro? Like, hey, y'all know I'm getting that spicy chicken biscuit off the hash browns. And then you gotta get the buffalo sauce too for the hashies, bro. It's just mandatory. Also, y'all, if y'all don't have me on Snapchat or Instagram, bro, make sure you go add me because, bro, I be posting behind the scenes stuff that does not get posted on here, bro. Pretty good content if you ask me. No! They closed the road? I know this one up here ain't closed. I just missed my turn. Free! Oh no, I didn't. But he did not miss his turn. So fun. need new tires. Hey, you don't see why I be going through tires so much, bro? That's literally why I be going through tires. Oh, I need to take that sticker off. That's from last night, bro. If y'all had me on Snap, y'all know what that sticker is. Oh, dang. Speed limit 45. Oh, is that a cop? Hope not. Hope not, buddy. Y'all, the nearest Chick-fil-A is actually far away, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. We still got a little bit of time to go. How bad are my tires? I wonder. I actually don't know how bad they are. I really don't. But it's okay, buddy. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, what happened? What the hell? That was unacceptable by Tez, bro. That was unacceptable, bro. Put that thing in forward draw sport, man. That was unacceptable. Not gonna lie to y'all. Hey, the camera leaning. Oh my goodness, the camera leaning. All right, we gotta get off on the next exit. I gotta fix that, I ain't gonna lie. Bro, stop camping. What are you camping in the left lane for, bro? It's for passing, Granny. Get over. Look, she riding in the middle. Oh, she ain't used no blinker. Ticket. Bro, my gas mileage went from 107 to 88. Hey, but look, if I treat this car good and I baby it, it actually does better. It performs very well on gas mileage, I must admit. I can't believe I just hit that ramp like that, dog. Hey, hey, y'all gotta comment down below. What the hell? Like, hey, that's a, oh my goodness, I baxed it. I am not gonna lie, I baxed it. Two Chevys. Doing Chevy things. Blocking traffic. In the way. Move around, bro. We gotta get to Chick-fil-A. We got place to be, bro. Oh my goodness. Are you gonna get over? Sometimes you gotta throw your car at them, just like get out the way. That's how you be, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I do need to chill though, cause boy, they be sitting raw. They ain't about to Easter egg me. Ain't not about to flank me. No, sirski. Not going. N-O-T-G-O-I-N-G. Man, y'all. I hope y'all loving the POVs. Honestly, bro. Honestly, I'm loving them, bro. I love the videos. I wish I could, like, I want to get a drift car and then do a drift build series, because I've actually really heavily considered getting into drifting. After last night, I did take my F90 M5 to the drift track. So, bro, I would actually really like to get into drifting, bro. It's just like, you ain't got the stress of having to, like, yeah, I street slide, obviously, but just not having the stress of the police and then putting your skills to the test. And it's like, it's nice. Like, it's nice to not have to worry and not have to be on edge about, oh, did the police see that? Is somebody gonna call the police? Am I gonna be in trouble? Blah, 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 this and that. It's just, it's nice to not have to feel that, bro. Like, I must admit. So I've heavily been considering definitely getting a drift car. Probably a E92 M3. I know, like, y'all probably like, no, that's not a good. Yes, it is. I'm making it, because I'm an LS swap it. We're gonna go the full route. But I also have this horrible contradiction with myself where I just like street cars, bro. Like drift cars are cool, but like a nice, clean built drift car, street car, it just does something to me, bro. Like, I'd rather see it. Bro, y'all maxing it. Oh my goodness, bro. What you even get over here for? You wasn't gonna take that initiative to, like, put them off. you're not getting back over. If it's up to me, you're not getting back over. I promise you that. Oh shit, I need to hit that exit though. Is my car smoking? Oh, probably because the my car's obviously, bozo. Oh, we're taking it back. Oh, his truck's smoking. And he not sliding. But I don't know, y'all. A nice, like, simply built street car, bro. It's just like drift cars are cool, but you gotta like, hey, you gotta cut out all that interior. You gotta, it's a lot you gotta do for that drift car. I ain't gonna lie. But them street cars, they just like keep them simple and clean and like OEM plus. Let me fix this camera real quick, y'all. Hold on. Hold on. And I'm gonna check my tires because I know they good. Somebody commented, Tez drives this car like a madman. Duh. All right, tire check. Yeah, we're fucked. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. We are cooked right now, buddy. I don't think y'all understand, bro. This car, like, yes, it's a luxury, expensive sedan, bro. And I do probably beat on it more than I should, if we being honest. I definitely beat on it more than I should. But in all fairness, bro, this car is meant to be driven like that, bro. It's literally meant to be abused, meant to be like it's meant for this. That's why I drive the car the way I do. I don't want y'all to ever think I don't care about this car, because I care about this car very much. That's why y'all have me on Snapchat or Instagram, y'all will know. I said I don't want to put this car on a track anymore because it doesn't, you know, I don't want to put that much abuse on this car. Let's go. Who we waiting? Like, what are you waiting on to turn, gang? I do not want to put that much abuse on this car anymore. That's why I want to get like a, like if I get an E92 M3, an older one, well, obviously they're all old, but like a 2011, bro. Think about it. That'll be fun. Hey, if that car, like, hey, it'd be much cheaper to fix an E92 M3 than it is to fix an F90 M5. Let's just keep it a buck. You know what I'm saying? It's still gonna be expensive, but it's gonna be a lot cheaper than fixing an F90. Hey, I love that feature. Uneven surface. It tells you when a railroad track coming up. I'm just convinced bro has nowhere to be. Bro just has, he just living life, like, just chilling. Which, I mean, cool. I'm just trying to make it a Chick-fil-A. Yeah, let me go to Chick-fil-A, bro. That's all. Please don't make this right here, bro. Please don't make this right. Please don't make this. Oh my goodness. Dang, you lucky we 2 minutes early. Oh. Go! Dang! Oh, that's Taco Bell. Oh! And Taco Bell breakfast is not bad. I just ain't eating it. You know what I'm saying? Hey, bro, got this whole boat out here. Nice boat, brother. Circle building for service. This has to be the gayest. All right, let me chill. Oh! I want to skip that speed bump. Yeah, don't come over here saying nothing to me, boy. I was skipping this speed bump. What? What are you doing? Like, what? Get out the way. People just want to be in the way. Why your door 2 different colors? Oh my goodness, bro. Come on. I want my breakfast, bro. Hey, this setup's so ghetto. This setup's so ghetto. Drive through, exit. Just rebuild the whole Chick-fil-A. The minis? No. We chilling. Spicy biscuit meal. Bro, what are y'all doing? I do not want to orange juice, y'all. I don't know what it is, bro. Orange juice literally makes me sleepy. So for breakfast, it's only right that we have a Sprite.
Good morning.
Good morning. I got a pickup order for Tez. Is that Santa over there?
That is Santa.
Oh my goodness.
You want to change anything?
No, that's fine. Thank you.
Good. Have a good one.
You too. Chat, it's Santa, chat. Oh my goodness. Chat, ho ho ho.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Santa. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Can I shake your hand or?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Merry Christmas. Thank you, man. Have a good one.
You too, bud.
All right, thank you. Chat, I just ran into Santa Claus. Oh my goodness, Chad. I just ran into Santa. I just ran into Santa, bro. Oh my God, I just ran into Santa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I just ran into Santa. Oh my goodness. Chad, I just ran into Santa. Chad. Oh my God. Oh, crazy. This better than breakfast. Well, y'all, we got the Chick-fil-A. But, you see what that says? Oh. It says grape jelly. 2 of them, right? 2 buffalo. They put the 2 buffalo, but they forgot the jelly part. Do I go back? What do I do? What do I do?